Hey, fourth grade. Hope that you are doing good this week. I wanted to share with you some things that you are going to be doing. Remember that whenever you come to science lab, you are only this should only take you 30 minutes one time a week. So pick a day and just get it done. It shouldn't take you any more than 30 minutes. So, you're going to describe the flow of energy through food webs, beginning with the sun, and predict how the changes in the ecosystem affect the food web. We will work on this for 2 weeks. So, that does not mean 2 weeks every day. That means you will have two 30-minute short little assignments that you will do and get done. Okay, so some words that I wanted to go over with you real fast is producer. That is an organism that uses sunlight to make its own food for energy. So that is like a plant. Remember, they use the sun for food because plants, they don't just get up and go walk around and find food like we do. We are consumer. That's this one right here. That's an organism that gets energy from eating another organism. So we eat plants, we eat animals. Those are other organisms because they are living things. This word up here is carbon dioxide. And that is a gas produced by cells during respiration used in photosynthesis to produce sugars. And we said organism is a single living thing. Flow means to move or travel smoothly in a certain direction. Energy means that which is needed to do work. And a food web, an interconnected set of food chains. The sun is the star at the center of the solar system that provides heat and light to Earth. And then change just means to become different. An ecosystem that we worked on before we got out for spring break. That's all of the living and non living things in an area and the interactions among them. Okay, so those are quite a few words. I think fourth grade has the most words to work with. But you guys will be fine. Y'all are always fine, and I cannot wait to see the work that you do. So, when you get ready to go to science lab, you will go to the tab that says fourth grade specials. Make sure you're in the right place. And then you'll go to classwork. And then you will find the tab that says science lab. Okay. You'll click on week 2 if you have week 1 finished. And you will follow the directions on here. So after you watch this YouTube video, then you will watch Generation Genius. That is this link right here. Intro video for an overview of food webs. This video is really cool, and I cannot wait for you to see it and hear what you think about it. Then you will click on the link to do study jams to practice what you learned about food webs. This is a really fun website too. You can test your knowledge. There might be songs on here. I don't really remember. And then you will open the copy of digital food webs, and then you will create your own food web. There are some examples in here for you guys. There's information that you might need in order to be successful on your food web creations. Once you get finished with this one, this is what you will turn into me. Okay? Once you get finished with that, if you have time, if you don't, and you've already hit your 30 minutes or you've got other things that you've got to do, you're always more than welcome to come back. Okay? This fourth direction says to work on STEM Scopes assignment from last week. So, your STEM Scopes, it's always going to be on stream in classroom. So, you will scroll down until you see this right here, this Ally Global Logon. You'll click that link. But before you do, your username is the 1000 number and the password is science. Okay, so if you forget that, just come back here and I've already given the directions to you and the information that you need. Okay, and as always, feel free to comment if you need to, and I will help you as soon as I can. All right, so I cannot wait to see you guys' work and the food webs that you create. I'm even more excited for whenever we get to come back to school. Hopefully, feels like it's going to be a really long time. But I hope you guys are doing well. Take care of yourselves. Don't get too stressed out with this. All of this should only take you about 30 minutes, and that is it. All right, guys, have a good day. Miss you.